Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, this is an emergency video. This is the second update for today because right now, in the exact moment the Bitcoin price started dumping here, we got the hash ribbons buy signal. And zooming out on the monthly candles, you can see here that every single time the hash ribbons buy signal flashed, in this exact moment, the Bitcoin price was actually breaking out here out of these symmetrical triangles, finding a new all-time high in 2013, in 2016, and right now, today, just a few hours ago, this signal flashed once again, and I will be showing you exactly what we are expecting, not only in the immediate short term, but also here as an all-time high in this up and coming bull run. So make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end of the video. You scroll down, you smash up the like button right now for that video to at least 3,000 likes. And with that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. And we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And it seems a little bit paradox that in the exact moment this indicator is flashing, the Bitcoin price is dumping. I can already tell you this is not out of the normal, and this is what we have been saying so far. But guys, you do remember that we actually last week, we said and we called that this buy indicator is going to be flashing this week. Look at this quick clip here. And I want to tell you, this buy indicator is going to come until the end of next week. Let it be maybe the beginning of the week after the next week, most probably the end of the next week. We will see this buy indicator, and as you can see, it is flashing right now. You know the deal. When the short-term moving average here of the hash rate goes above the long-term moving average of the hash rate, then we have a recovery after the miners capitulation, and this buy signal is actually flashing. And we can see right now this is flashing, and you guys, you also know the deal. After every single halving, we only have one last buy signal here, one last buy indication on the hash ribbons before the next all-time high. Also guys, very, very important, if you have been following us for the last 2 years, you know that we have been sharing that hash ribbons indicator for the first time here on YouTube, and we covered it already multiple times. We were able to outperform the market here massively, and in this video I do want to show you how we are planning to do that once again here, not only in the immediate short term, but also in the long run up until the next all-time high. Very important also guys, we made a video earlier today, an exclusive video with DaVinci J15, where we covered very exciting TA on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and also on VeChain. And one of these altcoins, DaVinci J15, made a 100x prediction for that. Make sure you are not missing out on that. In our pinned comment, on top of the pinned comment, there is the link for that YouTube video. Make sure you watch it after this video. You can see here on the monthly for the last 10 years, we always have within the cycles more of these buy signals, which are all very, very accurate. We will go into the numbers later. But after the halving, we always have one buy signal, and this is always the most powerful, the most explosive one. And this is the exact buy signal which is flashing today. So this is why I'm doing this emergency episode. I actually had some plans, but this broke completely prematurely here. And yes, I want to tell you what that means. You can see the programming is here a little bit laggy, so it is not 100% showing here, but from the calculations you can see that the hash ribbons is flashing right now. And I want to tell you the exact numbers we can expect, because if we are going here into this very, very famous article from Charles Edwards, you can see here the historical performance of this indicator, and the maximum drawdown is always very, very limited. If we scroll down here to this one here, it is even more accurate, and you can see we had 3 halvings so far, right? The first halving in November 2012, and then the hash ribbons buy signal afterwards came in February, the beginning of February, and after the buy signal flash, we only had one last crash, 3% down, and look at this, the price pumped 5,700% towards the upside. After the second halving in 2016, in July, we had the buy signal flashing in August 2016. And guys, once again, maximum drawdown, Bitcoin crashed down immediately, just like right now, 3%, and then pumped towards the upside 3,200%, guys. And this is of course mind-blowing. And you can see it here. This was the exact buy signal here, 3% down and then 5,000% up, here 3% down and then 3,200% up. I will be sharing towards the end of the video exactly what price I am expecting here in the long run for the end of this bull cycle. Let's go back here to the 4-hourly candles. Of course, we do want the Bitcoin price to hold here within this symmetrical triangle. Bitcoin just broke below the 4-hourly EMA ribbon. If we were to go to the daily candles, you can see that the Bitcoin price also just went back into the daily ribbons here on the EMA ribbons, which is of course not a bullish sign for the Bitcoin price. It is of course not something we were waiting for, but in the end of the day, Bitcoin is still holding strong in the symmetrical triangle. And I can already tell you, if this dump continues, we will only get bearish, not only after we break below this, but only before we after we close below the EMA daily ribbon and after we close here below the $8,600 levels on the daily. Only if we close on the daily below the $8,600, we can say with a high degree of certainty, well guys, maybe we are going here into a bear trend. But I can tell you, even though the numbers are red right now and we might get some negative comments in the comment section down below, the odds are right now very good for Bitcoin. This seems like a healthy retracement and we are not trading it right now. We are waiting for the breakout or breakdown with the confirmation and significant volume to trade it. But for the long run, this is a very powerful signal here, which promises actually huge returns and also the start of the bull market, because guys, you know it, we have to break out of this symmetrical triangle, this huge one, which is a few years old already, to start the next bull market. For this we need price levels above $10,500, and for this we of course also need the history to rhyme here according to the hash ribbons indicator. Scroll down to the pin comment to the comment section down below and let me know what you think about that. If you are following our channel for 2 or 3 years, you know that we fell in love with that indicator and we were able to make great calls here before. Every single time these indicators were flashing very accurately, perfectly here. The everyone who was trading upon that was outperforming the market massively. And right now it is really time to see whether we can hold here these price levels, whether we can hold above the daily ribbon and the 4-hourly can get back above the 4-hourly ribbon and eventually break out here. If we can break out, guys, we are flipping full on bull mode. If we are breaking out, closing above this symmetrical triangle, maybe even getting the confirmation, I can tell you this this hash ribbons buy signal will show its full power and its full explosiveness. Also guys, as promised, I do want to give you here my specific price target for this up and coming bull run in case we are able to break out here within the next 1, 2 or 3 months. I am personally predicting a price target all the way up here within the next let's say 12 to 18 months conservatively at $150,000, also conservatively, and not taking inflation / hyperinflation into consideration. But you can let me know what you think about that down below in the comment section, and maybe also you let me know your own personal price target. Guys, if you are appreciating this second update for today, scroll down and smash up the like button for that video. Also very important, if you are scrolling down here and on top of the pinned comment section there is the link for the previous video we made with DaVinci J15 earlier today. I do want to urge you not to miss out on that video. Make sure you watch it, make sure you smash up the like button, and you let us know what you think about that mind-blowing indicator finally flashing here, most probably the last time up until the next bull market, just as it was within the last 11 years. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.